All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're going to keep this clean. Touch gloves now if you wish to. All right, let's do this. Fight.
Sit low, sit low, range, range. 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 Let him come. Don't chase. Pills. Nice. Oh. Keep the ankle.
On here. On. Calm.
Breathe, relax.
Vai tu sono, zabigaj na ganju.
Calm. Yes, yes.
Keep the ankle.
Keep the ankle.
Okay, play guard. Play guard.
Bend the legs. Hey, 30 sekund. Khabib,
Yes.
30 sekund. 30 sekund. 30 sekund. Молодец.
20 seconds. 20 seconds. Calm. You're fine.
Stop.
You know the shots get slower as the rounds go on. That was his absolute best there.
Deep breaths, relax.
No stand up. Everything for the takedown. Everything you're doing. I don't care what anybody says. I need you to stay on track. Do not stay in front of him. Listen to me. Do not stay in front of him. Keep doing Cain Velasquez style. You understand me?
Back, behind the block. Fight.
Level. Sting. Range. Level.
Руку подними!
Давай, пройди, сделай свое дело. Relax.
Go to the takedown! Take down!
Off the center.
Come down here.
Садись.
Back on the cage.
Локти. Дышать надо, Кhabib, дышать.
Дыши!
Let's talk now. Let's talk.
the fight now. Come on.
Убей Садись, садись!
Болевой сделай!
5 минут!
Сломай руку! Сломай руку! Сломай руку!
Сломай ее! Сломай нахрен руку!
Время!
Hey, I'll take a point if you knee him in the head. Keep your toes out of the fence. Toes out of the fence.
One minute! Position!
Yeah, water in your hand. Water in your hand.
Deep breaths.
Want to stand up, brilliant. Okay, it's those low singles coming from halfway across the cage now.
Просто посмотри на него. Посмотри на него, ходить не можно.
Back, you can spend the first minute just getting your recovery. You push him back with your jab.
Exit! There you go. One. Nice. Up. Body. Body. Yes. Body. Body. Targets. Targets.
Cain Velasquez style! Cain! Cain!
Throw the shot. Throw it. Throw it. Pull out. Pull. It's coming. Pull. There you go. Relax.
High!
Yes.
Just keep breathing, breathing, breathing. He's using his energy. Just breathe, Conor.
Work.
Again.
Hey!
Hey, watch that. That's the back of the head. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Stop. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop.
Hey!
Stop. Stop.
Let's go!
Listen, can you punch hard and go for the takedown? This is the fourth round. Drink some water. Drink some water. Here.
No,
Some
too
water.
much, too much water.
Okay. Here.
I need your time to clean up.
That one was. The other ones weren't. The other ones were here. Conor, that was to the back of the head. Stay inside the rules. Don't get me in here.
Эй, Кhabib! Эй, позицию не теряй! Не теряй позицию! Одна рука снизу! Не теряй позицию! Эй, шорт! Шорт! Эй!
He's grabbing his shorts, huh?
It's okay, it's okay.
Эй, шорт!
He's grabbing his shorts. He didn't watch the shorts.
Falta 30 segundos. 30 segundos! Tempo curto. Tá perfeita a distância, Patão.
Tranquilo, tranquilo.
Respira. Coś pochodnie? Ja?
Ja, tension. Tension.
Teď chceš pojít, sklidni se, sklidni se,
Ten bude.
sklidni se. Ten vstup si musíš dát.
Parabéns, viu, soldado? Ó.
Parabéns!
Hey. Oh, shit. That's by the bell. Nope, not by the bell.
Jack, we gotta get up! Up, Jack, come on! Yeah, that's it, nice! One step at a time, get up! Jack, we gotta get up. We got two. Keep going up. Watch your back. Pull your back to the cage and get up.
Sorry about the wait. Just let me know when.
What have you got, boss?
I'll show KSI too.
They're probably going to show him later, so I'm just going to show you.
Yeah, don't.
Oh, it's a later thing?
I think they're going to do you later. They haven't told you not you.
Hold on, please. Yeah, quick, you do it later when our other friends here. There's a shot of the three of us.
Yeah, do the boss. Hang on.
Yeah, do it a little bit.